If you are watching this video, I imagine that's because you have forgotten your Windows 10 password and you are unable to get into your session. If this is the case, don't worry, I have the solution for you. It's free and you don't need any tool or software to do that. Hi, my name is Zin and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you visit my channel and you like the video, leave me comments and make sure you subscribe so you can benefit from more videos like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten Windows 10 password. All you need to have is a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. If you don't have one, you can go on the Microsoft Windows download page and download the media creation tool. Run it and follow the steps. You will find in the description the link to download the media creation tool and the link to a tutorial on how to create a Windows 10 bootable drive. Here I'm on the logon screen trying to open the session with my username and password. And it seems that my password doesn't work. To reset my password, first I plug the bootable USB drive into my computer. Then I restart the system to boot from the USB drive. I press a keyboard key to confirm the boot from the USB drive. If your computer does not boot from the USB drive, you need to change the boot order in the BIOS by placing the USB drive before the disk drive in the list. On the Windows Setup Wizard, I'm going to change the keyboard to French, the keyboard I'm using. You don't have to do that if you are using the correct keyboard. Now I'm going to click on Repair Your Computer to launch the troubleshooting menu. Click on Troubleshoot. Then click on the command prompt. Now you need to identify on which partition your Windows 10 is installed by typing this command, pcdedit. For this computer, Windows is installed on partition E. You can see a different partition letter on your installation. So now that I know where my Windows folder is located, I type the following command. Copy E Windows System32 utilman.exe. E Windows System32 utilman.exe.back. This command will make a backup of the Utility Manager program because I'm going to replace it with the command prompt. My next command is copy E Windows System32 cmd.exe. E Windows System32 utilman.exe. Now unplug your USB drive and continue booting Windows 10. If I click on the Utility Manager icon, it will display the command prompt instead of the Utility Manager menu. And this is what I want so that I can reset my password from the command line. I type net user followed by my username and the new password. The command completed successfully. Let's see now if it will work. I'm going to type the new password. Let's check it. Yes. And here we go. I'm now able to log in into my session again. Don't forget to restore the original Utility Manager after that. I hope this video helped you to get access back to your computer. Please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.